Hi all of you, a very good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech in Maths. मैं निवेश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में जेईई में लिमिट PYQ क्वेश्चन 2024 का वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन जो है वो सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ. हियर वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन 27 Jan 2024 शिफ्ट 1 का ये क्वेश्चन है. सो हियर ए और बी हमें फाइंड करना है एंड ए क्या है हमारा लिमिट एक्स टेंस टू 0 इन अंडर रूट 1 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स टू द पावर 4 एंड देन माइनस रूट 2 डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स टू द पावर 4 एंड b इक्वल टू क्या है लिमिट एक्स टेंस टू 0 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाय रूट 2 माइनस अंडर रूट 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स. So first I will find a, that is what limit x tends to 0 here. So I write here limit x tends to 0 and under root 1 plus then square root में क्या है 1 plus x to the power 4 right minus root 2 divided by क्या है x to the power 4. So what I will do here is I will use rationalization here to the numerator part. So numerator part को rationalize करने के लिए just I will use here the opposite sign. So 1 plus under root क्या हो गया 1 plus x to the power 4 plus what root 2 divided by the square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2. So numerator वाला part क्या हो जाएगा a plus b a minus b identity यहाँ पे apply होगा, that is a square minus b square. So we can write this as a square. So the root will be removed here. So we can write this 1 plus under root 1 plus x to the power 4 and root 2 whole square is minus 2 and denominator we can write this as x to the power 4 and in bracket what we have here 1 plus and under root 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2 plus root 2. If we write this simplified form of the numerator part, so we can write this as limit a equal to limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. This is what 1 plus x to the power 4 and 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and denominator we have here x to the power 4 and in bracket we have 1 plus under root 1 plus x to the power 4 right plus root 2 plus root 2. Now I will rationalize the numerator part again. So for this I will just multiply here the 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 1 and in denominator we will write this as 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 1. So again a plus b, a minus b identity will be applied in the numerator part. So a square minus b square. So this is what 1 plus x to the power 4 right and minus 1 square, that is 1 here. Okay, and in denominator part we have x to the power 4 in bracket first is 1 under root 1 plus under root 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2. In other bracket we have what under root 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 1 plus 1. So in the numerator part minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled. So we are left with what limit x tends to 0. This is what x to the power 4 and denominator we have here the x to the power 4 in under root what in bracket 1 plus under root 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2. In other bracket we have under root 1 plus x to the power 4 right 1 plus x to the power 4 and plus 1 plus 1. So here x to the power 4, this x to the power 4 and this x to the power 4 get cancelled. So what we have we are left with. So now we can substitute the value of x. So we get here a value, a as what 1 by, so this is what in bracket in the first bracket we have 1 plus under root 1 plus x to the power 4. So x is 0 right, x is 0. Okay, x is 0 plus root 2. So I write here the plus root 2. Okay, plus root 2. In other bracket what we have here 1 plus under root 1 plus 0 plus what 1. So if we simplify this, so this is what under root of 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So root 2, root 2 plus root 2, root 2 plus root 2, and this is what 1 plus 1. So we get here what 1 by 2 root 2 into 2. So we get here the value of a as 4 root 1 by 4 root 2. We get a equal to 1 by 4 root 2. Now we will find the b, right, b. So what is b here? B we can write here b is what, if you see in the question, b is sine square x by root 2 limit x tends to 0 sine square x. So I write here b equal to sine square x by what here root 2 minus under root what under root 1 plus cos x, right, under root 1 plus cos x. So I write here under root 1 plus cos x and limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. So to simplify this, I will use the trigonometric formula here, some multiple angle formula. So for I write this as sin square x. This is what? Root 2. And what is 1 plus cos x? 1 plus cos x, here minus sign is there. So 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2. So that is the formula, so some multiple angle formula. Now we can write this as limit x tends to 0. This is what? Sin square x, sin square x. This is what? Root 2 minus root 2 and cos square x by 2 in under root. So we can write this as cos x by 2. Now what I can do here is, I can write this as limit x tends to 0. This is what? Sin square x, and will take the root 2 common. So after taking root 2 common, we get here the 1 minus cos x by 2. Again we will apply the formula 1 minus cos theta, that is 2 sin square theta by 2. So we can write this as limit x tends to 0. This is what? Sin square x. This is sin square x, and this is root 2. The formula is what? 2 sin square x by 2. So this becomes what? X by 4, right? This becomes what? X by 4. So this is what here? Limit x tends to 0. This is b basically. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by 2 root 2, and sin square x by sin square x by 4. So we can write this as sin x, right? Sin x by sin x by 4 the whole square, the whole square. Now what I will do here is, I will just use the formula here to find this value. So limit b equal to limit x tends to 0. This is what? 1 by 2 root 2, right? 1 by 2 root 2, and here we have sin x. So I just divide the sin x by x into x, because sin x by x is 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x 1. And this side we have, in denominator we have x by 4. So I also divide this by x by 4 and multiply here by x by 4, and then whole square, right? Whole square. So this x and this x cancel. This value becomes 1, limit x tends to 0, and this value also becomes 1. So we can write this as 1 by 2 root 2, and in bracket we have this value 1. This is also 1, and this is what? 1 by 4. So this will be 4 by 1, the whole square. Now we can write this as 1 by 2 root 2 into what? 4 the whole square. 4 the whole square. So this becomes what? 16. We can cancel this. So 8 by root 2, 8 by root 2, even this can be cancelled. So we get here the 4 root 2. So we get the value as b equal to 4 root 2. What do we have to find? We have found the 4 root 2. What is a? What is a? A is your 1 by 4 root 2. A is 1 by 4 root 2 and b is 4 root 2. Okay, so we have to find the ab cube. We have to find ab cube. Okay, so we'll just calculate this two things. We'll put the value here, the ab cube. So a is 1 by 4 root 2 and b, that is 4 root 2 the whole cube, right? 4 root 2 the whole cube. So we can just cancel one of this, right? This is 2. 4 root 2 the whole square, 4 root 2 the whole square, that is about 16 into 2. 16 into 2 is what? 32. If we see the option, so correct option is here, correct option is 32. So the second option is the correct option, right? Hope you will be clear with this solutions, step by step solution. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel so that I can upload more videos. Bye bye, take care.